Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. In this video, I'm going to do some abs. So I'm going to do some abs and obliques, crunches, and I'm also going to mix it up with some aerobics. I like to do what I call a boot camp or a boot camp suite for my abs or midsection, where I do crunches or sit-ups, and I do them in succession with aerobics, because aerobics helps you to burn fat. Obviously, aerobics help you to burn fat, and then you add in the strength training aspect of the crunches and the oblique exercises, sit-ups, whatever you want to do. I love to do crunches because crunches also do both. So you're just kind of diverging the two worlds of the aerobics and the strength training into one exercise that really blasts your midsection or abs. So if you continue to do it like 2 or 3 times a week, the boot camp, what I call the boot camp suite, then it will really burn the fat around your midsection and as well as building up strength at the same time. All right. So with that said, with that word salad, I just let loose there on the world. So I start with some crunches. This one I'm using a chair instead of a stool this time to mix it up. Okay. And remember with crunches that you can do kind of stick your feet out really far, and then you can pull back like this. Just make sure your form is correct. Or you can do kind of in the middle here, in the middle. Or you can do the crunches with your feet close, okay, and just kind of bring them straight up like so. And they all target the ab and oblique muscles from different areas, So just make sure you're mixing it up. You're not doing the same footing position, the same leg position in each workout. Right? So that's one of the tricks is always adding variation to your workout. You don't want to vary it too much. You don't want to vary it every single workout. But do the same exercises for about 2 to 4 weeks. I would say 2 to 5 weeks maximum. Then change and do something else. Change the way you're doing the exercise, change your hand position, change the angle, change the way you're doing it. Like you can jump back and forth between exercises. There's so many ways to vary your workout. Use your imagination, use your creativity. Today, for the crunches, I'm going to stick my feet as close to my body as possible, okay? And then just lift straight up, okay? And then get some obliques in there by just, kicking my feet from side to side and bringing my feet back. If you do this, swing your feet out a little bit, specifically target your obliques, which is really a nice obliques workout, okay? There's a good time. Alright. Okay, and once you've done that, then just kind of mix it up with some aerobics. You can do the foot swing from side to side, which is obviously really target the obliques well. Okay, feet up, so. So again, you're mixing the quality of aerobics, the fat burning, aspects and qualities of aerobics, with the strength training and toning aspects of doing either sit-ups or crunches, which crunches are one of my personal favorites, just because I don't have to sit on the ground usually. Okay, and then do it where you lift your knees up like so. And also do a little bit of variation where you just twist your body and bring your knee up to the opposite side without bringing it all the way to your elbow. Okay. You may have gone to the park or something like that. You see the people with the giant bass speakers and the giant speakers, and they're doing these kinds of, aerobic exercises. Not really good, you know, really good for fat burning. Okay. All right, let's go back into the crunches again. Simple and easy. Okay. And the crunches do, if you're doing them correctly, they do get pretty challenging pretty fast. Okay. So just make sure your form is correct. You're using your body weight against you as much as possible. When you're doing the crunches, just kind of lift your feet straight up in a very robotic kind of motion. Okay. Alright. And then go right back to the leg swings. Kind of shifting your hips to one side. And then you're kicking your foot to the other side. You know, to vary the forces. The opposing forces. Okay. These are very good for the obliques. Okay. Feet up. And these ones, just twist your body, bring your knee up. It doesn't have to go all the way to your elbow. Twist your body. Okay, and go from the aerobics straight back to the crunches. Again, I'm sticking my feet close in, and just lift up. Make sure you breathe normally. Oh, okay. So it gets pretty challenging pretty quickly, actually. Pretty challenging pretty quickly. Okay, one more time. All right. Okay, we're back into the leg swings. I'll tell you, if you do this ab aerobics boot camp suite, as I like to call it, you will definitely notice the difference in your abs, in your strength of your back. You know, because your abs, if you have tight abs, really help strengthen your lower back. Fewer back problems. Okay. Up. Arms up as high as you can get them. Knees up high. Okay, and then twist your body. Knees up. Twist and up. Okay, and let's see how many more crunches we can do. So we'll jump right back into the crunches. Feeding. We don't need many new words of feeding. Footing. My footing is in a close position, closest to my body as I can get. Okay. Whoa, those last ones, I'm trying to lift my feet up, but it's just not happening. Okay. A few more of these. You'll be ready to call it quits. This is more of an advanced, intermediate to advanced workout that I'm doing for aerobics. So if you are a beginner, certainly take it slowly. And when you do what you can do, you go full out, you know, go full on right away. Twist. Okay. Whew. Very good workout, man. If you do this 2 to 3 times a week, you will not have any fat problems. Guaranteed. I used to have quite a belly, you know, believe it or not. I used to have quite a belly, but once I started mixing my aerobics with my strength training, that problem went away. Pronto, you know. All right, so mixing your strength training with aerobics is key to fat loss. You used to have like pretty sizable, you know, oblique fat on the obliques area, but not anymore. You know, it's the secret. To unlock the secret is to make sure aerobics with the strength training. I used to just do strength training and aerobics on separate days. Oh, mixing them together is the power pack. Okay, all right. So let's go one more round of aerobics. Okay. Twist. Oh, alright, so that's about it. That is a very quick aerobics workout that will benefit you immeasurably if you stick to it. The secret is mixing your aerobics with your ab workouts. Don't do them on separate days. Do them together on the same day at the same time. That is the secret to fat loss. Believe me. Believe me. Believe me you. Okay. Anyway, so let's come down here for a moment. And this is Byron. Thank you for joining me once again. That was 14 minutes of pure aerobics bliss, or pure ab bliss, I should say. So just mixing them together. That's as I've said before. Anyway, so everyone, thank you for watching and stay motivated to work out at home. This is Byron signing off. And everyone, stay strong out there. See you in the next round. Bye-bye.